Welcome to our channel, Juglu Study Material. Our today's topic is health and fitness. So, here we start. So, the first question is, how do you keep yourself fit? I like to keep myself fit by doing regular exercise. I usually wake up early and go out for a walk. It is said that morning walk or jogging is the best form of exercise that one can do. Also, I practice meditation to attain peace of mind. Our second question is, what are the advantages of morning walk? It is one of the most advantageous exercises. Because of the fresh oxygen, one feels relaxed and morning sunlight just adds to the impact and it is best way to start our day. A third question, what role does environment play in our fitness? Environment plays a great role in our fitness. If we exercise in a fresh and healthy environment, then it helps us to remain healthy and fit. The fresh air helps in increasing our energy levels. When we see greenery all around and birds chirping on trees, it keeps our mind and body fresh and active. Do you think that smoking at public places should be punishable crime? Yes, smoking in public places should be severely punishable crime. The Supreme Court has banned smoking at public places, but still we find people violating the law and there is no one to check. I believe that if a smoker is responsible for somebody else's cancer, then a fine is not all they should be paying. Our fourth question. Do you agree that eating healthy and balanced diet helps us in remaining fit and healthy? Of course, eating a healthy and balanced diet is the most important thing to follow if one wants to remain healthy, as our body needs nutrients to function properly. If we only depend on exercise, then our body will just lose weight and that's it. What are the benefits of meditation? Meditation, in my opinion, should be done by all, as today's everyone is busy in their hectic schedules that we do not get time to unwind and relax our body. Earlier it was possible to do so by hanging out with our friends and family, but these days we don't have enough time even for that. So we must give some time to ourselves to meditate. That would only help us clear our head, but also in staying calm and stress free. How do outdoor activities like sports, games, trekking, etc. keep us fit? By participating in outdoor activities, our body gets the required exercise and lose all extra calories. Not only this, with the outdoor activities, we unwind and mix with the serenity of nature. Losing the tensions and worry is winning half battle in the remaining fit and healthy. Why do you think that in the modern times, even young children are prone to problems like stress, hypertension, and obesity? In modern times, children are prone to such problems because of stress and lack of time for outdoor activities. They have so much of work on their minds and they do not get any time to go out and play. Even if they do, in this technology driven would they tend to spend their time on computers and playing games on playstations. Moreover, internet and movies have gained top priorities in children's relaxation regime. Do you think that up to a large extent, advancement in science and technology has made our lifestyle unhealthy? Yes, to a very large extent, advancement in the science and technology has made our lifestyle unhealthy. We do not have time to go out these days. So to entertain ourselves, we use the modern techniques to play games. We depend on internet and computer rather than outdoor games. The entertainment sector has led us to stay glued to our homes. Even to meet friends, we do not go out and use social interactive media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. How does the excessive use of insecticides, pesticides and fertilizers by farmers has to increase the productivity of their crops impact on our health? Chemicals used in farms are very bad for our health. If we ingest such chemicals, they can result in some harms to our body. It has been seen that many such cases have been recorded where people have suffered from poison and even admitted to the hospitals. Some people, especially the young children, have even lost their lives because of the chemicals. This aspect needs a serious consideration and should be taken lightly. In my opinion, excessive insecticides should not be used. Only natural ways to be adopted to get rid of the pests and other things. How do you attain peace of mind? I like to take long walks, especially in the evening when I am tense. I really unwind this way as I give time to myself and think things go over. I also prefer meditation, which I think is the best way to get peace of mind and get rid of the unnecessary thoughts. I usually come up with a solution or a plan which help me out of my problems. That time I do not think about anybody but myself. So do you agree? What a healthy mind resides in a healthy body? Yes, definitely. If one does not have a healthy body, then one won't be able to think more clearly. If we are not healthy, we become sluggish and remain irritated, hence tensed. So to remain happy, we need to keep our mind happy, which will happen only if our body is fit. Thank you for watching our video. Please hit a like button if you like our video. Subscribe our channel Zuglu Study Material. Thank you.